Hey, Coco. This is my new kitty. This is my new kitty. Yeah. Hi, Coco. Say hi to the camera. Who's a cutie? Yeah. Okay, this is so that you get the picture of her size. Not that big of a little kitty. See, here's my hand. Yeah. To cover her whole little body. Do you like the camera? You like the camera? Aww, look at those little eyes. What's she doing? Eating some food? Ah, where are you going? Where are you going? Other side of the plate. Now, the licking takes longer than eating. She has to lick herself when she's done eating, even if she doesn't get any on her. Hey, baby. Hey, Bobby. Hey, baby. Here's my spasms. Oh, here's the licking. Alright, Coco, you tired of the camera? The camera? Yeah. Alright. See you later, Coco. Coco. Yeah, you know your name. Yeah. Oh, hey, baby. See you later. Oh, wait, can you purr for me? Purr for the camera. Hey, baby. Purr. Purr. Oh, I love you too, Coco, but you gotta purr. Alright, she's not purring right now, but it's really loud. Alright, see you later. Bye.